grew up running tractors for my dad and my grandmother in their gardens. I can remember driving a tractor back when I was in the second grade plowing the fields. Yeah, that was one of those old tractors that didn't have all the new safety equipment and features on the modern day tractor. My dad was also a contractor, so I grew up around construction sites. I always loved being out there with the heavy equipment. Being around dump trucks, bulldozers, backhoes, and skid steers always gave me a little bit of a rush. I guess you can say that in that regard, I just never grew up. When I was in the 6th grade, he had me out on a job site running a boom forklift to raise large windows to a second-story building while he nailed them in. In my senior year of high school, he had me running equipment to lift and set trusses on detached garage as he scurried around and tacked everything in place. And although my dad is gone, a part of his legacy lives on with every job that I do. It takes me back to my childhood. It brings me back to those fond memories of working with him and seeing a job through, and feeling the satisfaction of a job well done. Although I've done a lot of things throughout the years, I continuously came back to this. I came back to doing what I've always loved. It is who I am, and it's the reason I do what I do.